Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'll be taking you around the brand new Land Rover Range Rover D300 SE. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Charente Grey. Starting our journey from the front of this Range Rover, you will see your pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading down the side, you'll see contrasting features complimentary of the shadow exterior pack as it sits on these 21-inch alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll be greeted with the rear privacy glass as well as the rear LED tail lights. Upon opening the powered split tailgate, you'll be greeted with a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for luggage for a week away or a set of golf clubs. And looking to the right, you will find easy to access controls for your electronic air suspension. Rear passengers will very much be impressed with their power recline heated rear seats in the absolutely wonderful Ebony perforated Windsor leather. And glimpsing into the cockpit will find your 20-way heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. As we now take a closer look at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which as you can see offers a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you you'll find your fully digital display which can harbour key information such as your trip computer and your vehicle settings. Moving over to the centrepiece of this Range Rover's interior, which is your 13.1-inch PIVI Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 3D surround camera, which also has park assist systems, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll also be able to access your climate control system as well as heated seat functions from within your screen, as well as your air quality sensors. You will further be able to adjust and recline your seats from within your entertainment screen. And finalising our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross both the occupants and enhance the ebony interior in natural light. This has been a presentation of the brand new Land Rover Range Rover, which is available at our dealership. For more information, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.